Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be describing how these two loops work and what I'm really doing here. So if you look at the first one, actually if you look at both of these loops you can see that I've created a kind of random number generator for the amount of time that each loop will take, the delay for each loop. And it's the same for both, except in the second one I just made it 75 multiplied by 75 instead of 100, just so there's some difference between them. For the first loop, I've created some, and this doesn't matter, I just created some operation for the loop to complete, just so that I can see that it's running. Um, in the first one, it just adds the current number to the current iteration to the previous iteration, and that's just the sum, and that's it. And in the second loop, I squared a number. It doesn't matter. It's just a couple of operations to have some number appear at the end. Now again, you can see for both loops that I've created this little, I guess, function. And what it does is it calculates how long each loop takes in milliseconds. And aside from that, I've also created this function which uses local variables, and I'll show you how to create those in a second. And it uses local variables to calculate how the difference in the time that each loop takes. So let's say the second loop takes 50 milliseconds longer than the first one. That will be displayed right here on the front panel. So for the local variables, what I did was, to get these right here, what I did was I just got an indicator for the time per loop. I right-clicked on it, and as you can see, you can create a local variable, and it's exactly what I needed. Except this, I believe, yes, this is set to write. I need it set to read so that it can be connected the same as this right here. So I already did that, so that's not necessary. What's important is I also did this with the stop button. I created a stop button which is set to write. So basically, when I press the stop button right here, what it does is it sends a true, yes, it sends a true signal to this right here, which goes in to this stop, I guess, variable, this local variable right here. It goes in and comes out in both of these. So I'm able to press one stop button and stop both loops simultaneously. And that'll be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you very much for watching.